Hi everyone, welcome back to Udemy Tour. This is data entry project number 24 and we have another data entry project which I got on Upwork. So I will be showing everything step by step live on the screen. So let's get started. So first I want to show you the client instruction. Here on the screen you can see he's saying that I need you to go here. Okay, so he provide me website. Okay, so I have already opened it here. You can see this is the website, guys, which the client provided to me. And then let me go further. He's saying that and enter letter A through Z on the last name field. Select California from the straight drop down menu and select find match that contain in the term containing and the field. And then he's saying that I need it alphabetized by first name. Okay, no duplicate please. And below he's saying that I need all name in Excel file, no on one sheet only, not separate sheet. Do not separate A, B, C, D in a different sheet. I need them in a one sheet. I need a column first name, last name, email, phone number, fax, farm name, address, and practice area. So this is the client instruction, guys. Okay, and I will be showing you two methods. One method will be we will be collecting this data manually, by copying one by one. Okay, and another way will be we will be using a ChatGPT. Okay, so with the help of ChatGPT we will be working on this project very fast. Okay, so I will also provide you the prompt which are very easy. You just need to copy and paste and then you will be able to work on this type of project. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So I have already opened the website here. Okay, you can see this is the website which the client provided to us. So in the instruction he's saying that enter letter A through Z on the last name field. Okay, so in the last name field, guys, we will simply type A here. Okay, and below if I just go down here, he's saying that in the state you will need to select the California. So first the state was different, so then you will need to change this state to the California. Okay, so I have already selected the California here. And if I just go down here, you can see this will be different. Maybe when you click here on this one. Okay, so first this one will be changed with the beginning with. Okay, so you will need to change this okay, with the containing. Okay, so here if I just show you the client instruction, here you can see he's saying that in the then select file match that contain in the term containing in the field. Okay, so here you can see a find match. Okay, and then here you can see he will need to select the containing here. Okay, and the term I enter. Okay, and then we will simply click here. Okay, so this is the client instruction, guys. When you do that, then your job is begin. Okay, then you will need to able to collect the data. Okay, so first thing first which are very important, first you need to follow the client instruction. What he's saying, you will need to follow that. Okay, so if you do any kind of mistake there, the whole project will be wrong. It will not be good. For example, here, guys, you saw that I changed the beginning to the containing. So if you select the beginning, the project will be different. You will be able to collect different type of result. Okay, so we don't need that. Okay, now you can see we got this result, guys. Okay, there are some data which you can see. So when you collect that, then you will need to click on the next. You will go to the next page. When you also collect that, then you will go to the next. So in this way we will be able to collect on this project, work on this project. Okay, so now we will start working on that. Now here you can see this is the person name. Okay, and then area of practice, their location, then telephone number, then fax, then email. Okay, so here is the client instruction. You can see he's saying that I need column first name, last name, email, phone number, fax, farm name. Okay, and then address and practice area. So I have already, guys, typed everything here in the Excel sheet. You can see first name, last name, email, phone number, fax, farm name, address in practice area. Okay, so if you want to work on this manually, I know it will take a lot of time, guys. Okay, because this is not a small project. There are a lot of data which we need to collect. Okay, So if you want to work on it manually, you can do it. Just collect one by one and paste it there. But I will be showing you the method that will be using the ChatGPT to collect all this data, automatically. So for that, guys, we will need to open the ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can see I have already opened the ChatGPT, guys. Now I will be able to enter a simple prompt here, which I will provide you also. So if I just go down here, you can see I have entered a very easy prompt here. As you can see, I have mentioned that I have a copy and structured data from a website. Please extract and organize this data into a clear table format with the following column. Okay, and then I mentioned first name, last name, email, phone number, fax, farm name, address, and practice area. Display the data directly in the chart as in Excel like table format, not as in external file. Okay, so this is the instruction, guys, which I have write for ChatGPT, because if you provide any wrong command to the ChatGPT, so it will not work correctly, and you will be confused, and ChatGPT will be also confused, because if you provide correct information to the ChatGPT, then it will help you, and it will save a lot of your time. So now I will simply paste this prompt here in the ChatGPT, and I'm using, guys, the free version. Okay, so if you have the paid one, it's perfect, but if you have the free one, it's perfect. Okay, and if you don't have ChatGPT, just install it, ChatGPT, search it. Okay, and then create account. If you don't know, let me know in the video comment. I will also show you how to create a ChatGPT account, but I hope you know that, because it's very simple. Okay, so then just click here. Okay, when you provide the simple command to the ChatGPT, then you will click here, and now you can see the ChatGPT has been start working. Okay, he's saying that please share the unstructured data here, and I will extract and organize into requested table format. Okay, so now we will simply go here, and now we will just copy this data, okay, from here. Okay, so I will select the data. Okay, and I will go down. Okay, just select and go down. Okay, now you can see, guys, we have select all the data. Okay, only we are not able to select this one. Okay, so when we complete that, then we will enter this data too separately. Okay, so now you can see all the data has been already selected. Just look at, guys. Okay, so now I will simply copy this data. Okay, and now I will simply enter here on this sheet. Okay, so I will just click enter. Okay, after clicking enter, now you can see the ChatGPT has been working, and it's going to create and write all the data in the table, and then we will simply just copy this table data and we will paste it in Excel sheet. Okay, so I will also show you that. Just keep watching the video, okay, and enjoy the method. Okay, now you can see this ChatGPT has been already extract all the data for us, which we have shared with that. Okay, now I will simply, guys, again copy this data. Okay, I will just copy, and I will go down, select the data. Now here you can see we have select all the data, and now I will simply copy this data. Okay, and now I will open the Excel sheet. So I will remove this sheet. Okay, and okay, so let's create another sheet. Okay, so we have create sheet number 2, and now I will delete the first sheet. Okay, and here I will just tap sheet 1. Okay, so now, guys, here I will just simply paste this data. Okay, so I will just click here. Okay, now you can see, guys, all the data has been pasted here, and with the help of ChatGPT we complete this data. Look at, guys. Okay, so only one thing is missing, so I will simply go back again, and here you can see we have select all the data, but only one thing we didn't select, which was area. Okay, so we will simply copy this too, okay, manually, and we will paste it here. Okay guys, so you can see we have done more than 15 entry in a very short time. Okay, so if I just go back here, you can see the data which are available there we have extracted there. If the data is not available there, then we will not be able to extract it. For example, here guys, you can see the number 3, like first one have their email address. Okay, and if you just look at here in the row number 2, we don't have their email address. Okay, so if I just go back here and if I just look at here in this table, so maybe the email address is also not mentioned here too. Okay, so if the email address is available here, then we'll be able to collect the email address too from there. Okay, so you can see guys, the email address is also not available here, but only one thing is available here, which is their website. Okay, so now we will click on their website and we will go and we will collect their email address from their website. Okay, so I will just simply click on it. Okay, this is also guys a very important step which you will need to follow. Okay, so you will need to complete the work and you will need to find anything which you can find. Okay, so I will just go down here. You can see guys, their email address is mentioned here, so I will simply copy their email address. Okay, and I will simply paste it here in column 2. Okay, you can see, and also their fixed number was not mentioned here. Let me just show you. Okay, this one you can see guys, their telephone number is available, but their fixed number is not available. So we have opened their website. Okay, and here on their website you can see their fixed number is available, so we will simply copy their fixed number. Okay, and we will simply paste it here. Okay, you can see we have complete this. Now I will just go down here. Okay, and you can see guys, their email is also not available, Anna. Okay, Albert. So let me just go down and see. Let me just cut this one. Okay, let me just go down and see if we can get. Okay, so you can see guys, they don't have any website here, and also their email is not available. Okay, so we will go down and we will not collect the data, because if their website is available, so then we will just copy their open their website and we will collect the data. Okay, but in this case their website is not available, so we will go further. Okay, so if I just go down here, you can see also this is another entry, AL Arbot. So I will just go down. Okay, I will just go down here. Okay, so you can see this, they also don't have a website and anything. So let me just see what is that. Maybe if that's their website, so then we will collect data from here. So let's just verify what is that guys. Okay, and also there's something different. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think they have provided any PDF file, so let's open this one too and see what is there. Okay, they have, okay, I think this is their location address. Okay, so we don't need this guys too. So in this way guys, you will need to work on this project. Okay, so we have already done some data. Now you will need to go down and you will need to check if there's any information available. You will need to copy and paste from there. Okay, from this table. Okay, so I will just go down here. Okay, you can see their website is available here guys, you can see, but their email address is not available. So we will just open their website and we will collect their email from their website. Okay, and you can see this is Abdul Jabbar Jar. So we will just simply go down and we will just see the person which is available here. I think this one. Let me verify. Okay, so I think this is the person. Okay, which email address is not available here, but their website is available. Okay, so you will need to check this. Okay, so let's see. I think it's not this one. Oh, wait a second, let me just go down. Nope. Build your robot B. Okay, so this is the name, guys, you can see, but their email address is not available here. Okay, so we will simply go here and we will open this website. Okay, so from there we will collect their email address if it's available. So just simply click here, continue to the site. Okay, and then go down. Okay, go down here and let's see if we can get their email address here. Okay, but I think their email address is also not available on their website too. So for that you can open their Facebook page, which is already available here. Okay, so you will need to click on it and you will need to find their email address on their Facebook page too if it's available. Okay, so I hope you already know about the process. Okay, so after collecting, guys, data from this first page, then you will need to simply click here. Okay, you will need to click here on page next page. Okay, and then you will need to select all the data once again. Okay, you will need to go down here. Okay, you will need to select all this data. Okay, just select the data like this. Okay, select. Okay, just select the data. Okay, you can see, guys, all the data have been selected, only this one is not selected. So when we done this, then we will pay this to there. Okay, so look at, guys. Okay, so then you will need to copy this data. Okay, and you will need to open the ChatGPT again, and here you will need to paste this data. Okay, so just paste it and then click enter. After that, then you will need to wait a second and this will continue the process for you, and then you will need to simply again copy this data and then you will need to paste it there. Okay, so let me show you. Just wait until this data has been completed. Okay, just keep watching. Now you can see the ChatGPT has been working for us and it's extracting the data for us. Okay, now you can see the data has been extracted easily. Okay, now we will simply, here is our continuation of organization. Wait, here is the continuation of extracted and organized data. Okay, so we will simply, guys, again go and we will select all this data again once again. Okay, and we will go down and we will simply click on it and copy the data. Okay, and I will just go down here. Okay, and here I will simply click, okay, on the last row, which is 17, and here I will just simply click keep sourcing. Okay, now you can see the data has been pasted in the same format which we have already complete. Okay, just look at, guys. Okay, everything is perfect. Just remove this first and last name from here. Okay, now you can see everything is perfect, guys. So in this way you will need to work on this project on this way. Okay, very simple. So you will also need to check if their email address is available. Okay, if it's not available, then you can go to the next. Okay, so here you can see, guys, on the first their email address is not available but their website is available. Okay, so you will need to open their website and you will need to copy their email address from their website and then you will need to paste it. Okay, so sometime maybe if the website is not working, then you will need to use a pre-VPN. So in this case, let me just try on it. Okay, sometime, guys, some website they are not working on your location, yeah, IP, then you will need to use any free VPN and you will need to open it. Okay, but if still it's not working, then you will need to go to the other entry, because sometime some website they are broke, they are not working, so you will need to go further. Okay, so the process are very simple. So then you will need to go down. Okay, and here we have only missed this area, which we will just copy. Okay, and we will go down. Okay, and we will simply paste it here. Okay, process are very simple, guys. So when you complete all the data from this page, okay, then you will need to click next, and you will need to go until you complete all the data. Okay, and when you done this, guys, then you will need to open this directly once again. Okay, you will need to open this link. Let me show you. Okay, this is the link which the client provided to us. Okay, so we will simply open this link once again, and we will paste it here, and we will remove this. Okay, and we will open it again once again. Okay, from starter, and then we will tap B. Okay, where we have put A. Okay, and when we complete do the same thing which we done for the A, and then you will need to do the same thing for B, and when you complete all the data like we did from A, then you will need to tap there C. Okay, and then you will need to tap D, and you will need to go on this until you reach to the Z. Okay, because this is the client instruction and we need to follow this. Okay, now you can see in the last name field, guys, here we will need to tap B. Okay, and below here on the city you can see on the state, here you can see on the state I will simply click on the state, and here I will select California. Okay, and below here you can see which is mentioned in the beginning, I will change this to containing. Okay, and then I will click search. So we will extract all the data, and when we do this, then we will again go back and we will tab C here. Okay, and then you will need to tab D, C. You will need to complete all the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H until you reach to the Z. Okay, so this is the client instruction, guys. So now if I just click here on search button, now you will see that the data will be in a different. Okay, and also, guys, the client instruction was very strict. He said that you don't need to create any new sheet. Okay, I need all the data in one sheet. Okay, like for example, when you write when you complete for example maybe 100 or 200 data from A, then you will need to start from below. Okay, you will not need to go to another new sheet, create any ABC. Okay, so you will need to go on this order. Okay, I hope you understand the process. Now let's wait until the B data has been displayed here, and then you will need to practice on this. Okay, now you can see, guys, we have got this data. Okay, so now you will need to copy all this data. Okay, copy all this data and paste it there. Okay, the process are very simple. Just select all the data. Okay, and then paste it here. Okay, then paste it here in the ChatGPT, and then the ChatGPT will put all the data for you in this type of table. Then you will need to just select the table, copy the select the all data, and then you will need to put it here. So in this way you will able to work on this project. Okay, so when the ChatGPT stop working, then you just simply create a new chart here. Okay, create a new chart, and then go back and copy the copy this prompt which I will be sharing with you. Copy this prompt and again share on the ChatGPT new chart, and then like here you will need to paste the chart here, the prompt, and then you will need to click here, enter, and then you will need to again copy the data and you will need to paste it here. Okay, so I hope you understand the process. If you have any kind of question, confusion, please let me know in the video comment. I will try my best to help you, to guide you. Okay, so thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. Actually I have missed one thing. which the client instruction as that which I miss here. He's saying that I need alphabetize by first name, no duplicate please. Okay, so I also want to show you that how we will select all the data and short them in Excel sheet. Here you can see we have E and then M and then A is the below. Okay, so the client instruction is I need all the data in alphabetize, which mean first here we need A, and also we need A and all the information. Okay, for example, here you can see guys the data is looking in a different format. Okay, complete the whole project. Okay, so when you complete the whole project guys, after that then you will need to simply click here. Okay, you will need to click here, and after that you will need to click here on the data. You can see you will need to click here on the data, then you will need to click here on short it. Okay, so just click here, and after that guys you can see you will see this type of result. Then you will need to click here. Okay, and after that you will need to select the first name. Okay, and here you will need to select the value. Okay, and here you can see it's mentioned A to Z, and then here you will need to click OK. So now you can see guys all the data is mentioned like A. Okay, and then if I just go down A, okay, you can see, and then B, and then C, and then C. Okay, and then D. Okay, you can see guys, and then D, and then E, and then G. Okay, so you will need to do this which are very important. Okay, step and after that guys, when you do this step, then you will need to do another step, which is you will need to remove any duplicate value. Okay, so you will need to select again here guys. Okay, so here if you just select this, and you can see now it's mentioned duplicate, so just click on it. Okay, and after that you will need to click here select all. Okay, so you can see all the data has been selected, so just click here. Okay, so you can see no duplicate value found. So if there's any kind of duplicate value, with the help of this technique you will be able to delete the duplicate. So after you done this, then you can provide the project to the client. So this was very important step which I have missed. Okay, and then I record this video again, and now I am sharing with you guys. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you understand the process. So guys, you can see the data is now looking this. So first the data was looking different, this one. Okay, the data was looking like this, but now the data is looking very good. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video.